Hi everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So I'm just at Melbourne Airport at the moment from the Terminal 4 viewing car park viewing area. So at level 7. So just at the moment there's a plane from Xiamen in China that's just landing, and that is a Boeing 787. You can see that advance a little bit more. Just landed from Xiamen. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Here you can see Royal Brunei Airlines, Singapore Airlines just taxiing Thai Airways 1000 Virgin. Xiamen Airlines just came back. Just landed again from Xiamen. There's an Air New Zealand plane which is near the Singapore Airlines plane that is just getting ready to taxi, I think. About to take off now. Is a Qantas flight to Perth. It's a Virgin flight to Perth, and that is a Boeing 737. Sorry about that. It's going to Perth. And there's a United Airlines plane as well. I'm assuming it's either going to LA or San Francisco. Only two destinations in the US that United flies from Melbourne. Singapore Airlines, I think, flight getting ready to take off, I'm assuming. Looks like there is another flight that's about to take off. Small plane. And that is going to a place called Burnie. That is a Rex Airlines plane. It's about to take off. Xiamen Airlines plane is coming to the terminal now. Sorry for the out of focus things. Back here. Coming into land is a flight from Sydney, and that is Rex Airways Boeing 737. It's coming to land. There it is. Hope everyone's having a nice day. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment as well. Today is Friday, just after 9:30 a.m. It is cold and in the middle of winter. So yesterday it was very frosty. I didn't feel like getting out of bed yesterday. Today is not as bad as yesterday. It's still cold. The plane, there's another one going to take off. That is a Virgin Australia plane, and that is going to Brisbane, which takes about 2 hours, and there's a Boeing 737-8. The Air New Zealand plane is just still there, hasn't moved. A few Virgin planes as well on the United. 2 United planes. And looks like there's China Airlines plane down there as well. plane that's going to land is a plane from the Gold Coast, and that is a Jetstar plane coming into land from the Gold Coast in Queensland. And the plane we're about to let's look off here. That is Qantas Link plane that is going to a town called Burnie in Tasmania. And that is a de Havilland Canada-8 plane, quite small. And the plane just about to land is a flight from the Gold Coast, which is about to land any second now. Quite a busy landing, busy time of day. Plane is coming in there. Let's see. Rex Airlines plane is taxiing. Another 5 or so months before the operations road viewing area opens up again, November 21st this year. I'm just waiting to go back there. So coming up to take off next is a Qantas Boeing 737 that is going to Broome. That is in Western Australia, so on the northwest coast. It is in like a few hours north of Perth. Excuse me, sorry. That's going to a place called Broome. I think it takes about 5 hours from Melbourne to Broome direct. And it's sort of like a nice weather. I've heard it's nice weather over there. There it is. So it looks like the United Airlines flight is taxiing, or at least one of them. And the next plane to take off is Rex Airlines Boeing 737 that will be going to the Gold Coast. As you can see down there. And this United flight is going to LAX. And I have actually flown United, not going to LA, but when I was in the US domestically, I believe it, when I was domestically a little while ago, about 11 years ago, when I was last there. I think it was between LA and San Francisco when I last went. Last flew United, I mean. And down here, getting ready to take off, is a Jetstar A321, so Airbus A321, that will be going to Denpasar in Indonesia. Very popular tourist destination for all Australians to go. And still I haven't been there. One day. Denpasar, Indonesia. This is a Malaysian Airlines plane on the other side of the Brunei Airlines flight, and there was a United plane is waiting. The flight that just landed that's about to land is a Virgin Australia Boeing 737 that came in from Sydney. And there is also a plane to Narita, to Tokyo Narita, which is the Qantas Airbus A330, and I have actually flown this on that flight last year. Last year when I went to Tokyo. Virgin Airlines plane just landed on there. United Airlines plane is just, I think, patiently waiting. Which is going, that's going to LAX in the US. About to take off now is an Air New Zealand flight to Queenstown in New Zealand, and there's an Airbus A320. That's another place I still want to go and visit one day. That's going to Queenstown. The plane that just about to land is a Jetstar Airbus A320 coming in from Hobart in Tasmania. The flight takes roughly an hour south. So this came in from Hobart. I will be going to the US next year, but most likely late October around Halloween time. So I'll be going to, at this stage, LA and Vegas. I want to visit other cities like Dallas, also New York and Savannah. So I will be doing some flight reviews as well. It was an Australia flight last year. Sorry for the noise. And a plane that is just about to take off from Monterey is a plane to Sydney, and that is a Virgin Australia Boeing 737 going to Sydney. Looks like the United plane is about to taxi now. There's a few more flights I can see that will be landing in the next few minutes. One's from Phuket in Thailand, and another one's from Sydney. I think the Qantas flight to Tokyo is getting ready to take off soon. Before that, a flight to Mildura is taking off, and that is a Rex Airlines Saab 340 plane. A very small plane. Takes nearly an hour to get to Madeira. It's sort of in between Melbourne and Adelaide, but more northwesterly, the northwesterly direction towards Melbourne. I mean from Melbourne. And the Jetstar Boeing 787 flight from Phuket just landed. Another place I still haven't been to. I haven't been to many places, but I want to go. Speaking of travels, I will be going to Vietnam in January of next year. Just for a couple of weeks, mainly to Da Nang and Hanoi. So I will be doing flight reviews as well, which will be on this channel. See which flight is going to take off first. Is it United or the Qantas? So I haven't really checked my flight radar to see the flight times. But I see the United and the Qantas planes waiting to take off. Jetstar flight is coming into the terminals now. There is a plane from Sydney that's about to land in a couple of minutes time. Not sure if you can see the lights down there, but it's about to land in a couple of minutes. The plane that's about to take off is Virgin Australia Boeing 737 that is going to Gold Coast. Another Jetstar plane from Sydney, and that is Airbus A320 that is going to be landing soon. And I think that after that the Qantas flight to Tokyo Narita will be departing. But actually I flew to Tokyo Haneda. I believe that they changed from Haneda to Narita late last year after I came back to Melbourne. The only thing is that Narita airport is a bit further away from the city of Tokyo, so it takes about 1 hour by train from the center of Tokyo to Narita airport, and Haneda airport is quite close. It's within the city limits. There's a Jetstar plane from Sydney. Is still here, not sure what time it's taking off. So is the Brunei Airways plane, Royal Brunei, and the Malaysian plane as well. I believe that there's another plane about to land from Sydney, and that's the Qantas Boeing 737. Can't see it at the moment. But it looks like it's going to be landing in the next couple of minutes. I believe that the Qantas and United flights are waiting for those airlines, that plane to land. So that will be here in less than a minute, or less than 2 minutes, sorry. Unfortunately, can't see any flights because of the cloud. But in the distance behind the crane, I think you can see something. Actually, the Qantas flight to Tokyo is taking off now. Sorry about my mistake. Actually taking off now. That is going to Tokyo. It takes about 10 hours direct from here to Tokyo. Direct north. Almost direct north. I was talking about a bit earlier, the flight from Sydney has just landed, and that's the Qantas Boeing 737 from Sydney. Just landed. Waiting for the LAX flight to come. Looks like, I hope it goes next. Let's see. If you have made it this far, please comment on which is your favorite airline that you've seen so far and plane. It does look like the United plane is about to take off. You can see it moving to the runway. But before that, flight to Auckland and Boeing 737 is about to take off now, and that's going to Auckland and New Zealand. There's a Rex Airlines plane as well, getting taxiing at the moment. And the United Airlines plane to LAX is just about to take off, and that is Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Takeoff right now. It's about a 14 to 15 hour journey direct to LA. So thank you everyone for coming in. I hope everyone has a nice day. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment as well. And I'll see you all on my next video. Have a wonderful day.